that our country is facing right now? And how can you be of help? I'll repeat. What's the major problem of our country that we face right now? And how can we be of help?
Okay. Thank you for the wonderful question. I can answer your question as briefly I can. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe to be a Miss K Aronggonen 2012 is not only having a beautiful face and beautiful body, but also intelligence to perform her duty and responsibility rightfully. Okay, go back to the question. The question is, what is the major problem that our country is facing right now, and how you be of help? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the greatest problem of our country right now is graft and corruption. Graft and corruption is the major problem of our country. Instead of thinking on how to develop economic and stability, instead of thinking on how to develop economic and political stability, most of the politicians concentrate on how to become rich using government funds, be it economics, be it politics, and beyond the forces. And because of this, we lost quality education, quality health services, and even peace and order. And to be able to solve this mission, my dearest friend, is not only just one activity, but it continues working hand in hand with everyone, regardless of age, sex, belief, gender, status, religion, and race. And I believe united we stand, divided we fall, and perform our duties and responsibilities with a pure heart, sound mind, balance, clear conscience, and a free spirit, and follow all the rules, regulations, protocols, and laws. To be a good leader, you must be also a good follower. And we must always remember that we Filipinos must learn to work together. Because to work together, we must learn to trust others. To trust others, we must learn to trust ourselves. And that is reality, and no one can eradicate. Thank you.